what can people do in their everyday life to help move the lymph and assist it? And when do you know it's time to see a therapist?
Sure. Excellent question. So every day, there are a few things you can do. My favorite recommendation is like a basic superficial lymphatic massage where you can use a dry skin body brush on dry skin where you're brushing towards your heart. So the heart's kind of the level playing field when it comes to lymphatics because of the connection with the lymphatics and the cardiovascular system. But what you want to do is dry skin body brush. You can brush the neck towards the heart, the arms up towards the armpit, and then also up the legs up towards the heart and the torso. So dry skin body brushing before somebody takes a shower is a great kind of first step. The other thing, if you do take a shower, to at the end of the shower, deploy contrast therapy. So turn on the cold water. And while that's a vascular constriction, that constriction also promotes the lymphatic process. So hot cold therapy, we're seeing very hugely trendy, right? Everybody's doing cold soaks and cold plunges, Arctic weather, it's summer out. Well, that's great for the lymphatic process as well. So that can function as a pumping mechanism to promote the lymphatic process. So those are some things you can do. I also love to incorporate certain foods. We have a lot of clinical research on foods like ginger and turmeric. They're very anti-inflammatory, but they're also promotive of the lymphatic flow. So 3 to 4 cups of ginger tea throughout the day will really get the flow moving. And it's powerful. I mean, this is like super easy, but it's noticeable. People will notice a frequency in their void, so they'll be flushing the fluid. And it's not uncommon for some of my lymphatic cases to lose 5 to 10 pounds of fluid water weight in a day when they're really deploying these exercises.